Hey, Tefen here from Tefen's Tech, and this is how to remove a CPU from the CPU slot. So, what you're going to want to do is, there's this little arm right here. You want to push this down and pull it to the side. Carefully let the arm up, pull the arm back, like so. Then pull this the rest of the way back. This will open up the slot, giving you access to the CPU. Then, very carefully, remove the CPU from its slot. Now, if you have a CPU slot protector, which is like a little black piece of plastic, you put that down in there. Then you put this down like that. Make sure it's behind the screw here. Take the arm, pull it back down. But now here's this little trick. You got to pull it down and to the side, get it underneath that, like that, and then let go. And that's it. Now if you want to install the CPU, pretty much the same thing. Open up the slot, remove the protecting piece that you'd put in there. Carefully make sure that the CPU lines up with the right way with the slot. You can see the writing finally, there you go, on the CPU, so make sure it's facing up with the motherboard like this. There's also little grooves that make sure it lines up in there correctly. Now be very, very careful, because with these type of Intel CPUs, you'll notice there's no pins sticking out on the CPU. But these here are actually sticking up. It's hard to see without looking really close and having good eyesight, but they're actually like bent on a little angle. You don't want to damage or bend any of those pins. So what you do is just carefully place the CPU in there, put that down, put in the arm, and that's it. Now you can mount your cooler. Check out tefenstech.com and tefen.ca. Check out our YouTube for other videos like tutorials on how to mount various coolers in here, and as well as how to remove them. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Have a very happy day.